Hi everyone, welcome to the information session on Flipkart. Flipkart, Flipped Learning Content Developer. So this Flipkart is a very special educational tool specially designed for the educators of rural educational institutions for implementing flipped learning concepts. Flipped Learning Content Developer. I'm Mr. Srinath Pai. I'm the contributor of educational word through this component called Flipkart. Currently, the technological advancements is transforming all the sectors. The industrial revolution has transformed even the educational sector. Currently, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 has a wonderful influence even on the educational system. We are witnessing the application of IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, internet connect, and many more things in the educational sector. Teaching, learning, assessment, evaluation, administration, and every component of this education system is upgrading and it is transforming. The mobile learning, the digital learning, the flipped learning, the blended learning, and lot many components, concepts are introduced in the present education system. When we talk about especially about the flipped learning, when we go through the flipped classroom environment, so here we find the two different phases. The first phase is where the child, the ward, the student is going to learn the content at outside the school, maybe home or a hostel or any other places. And then the second phase is the place where the candidate, the student is going to learn the concepts through face-to-face. Because of the current pandemic, we are not in a position to implement the part 2, the face-to-face learning. So only the option available for us is the distance-based, the virtual mode of learning. So everything is fine when it comes to the face-to-face learning. But in virtual learning, we are facing, the educators are facing the biggest problem, that is about the content development. Maybe the images, drawing, maps, audio, video content, animation, ebook. So these are the various concepts, these are the various contents, type of contents which the educators in this 21st century uses to deliver the content to the students. About the content delivery, currently, because of the technological advancement, we have hundreds of different delivery channels through which it can be delivered. We use YouTube to update the contents, to upload the contents for pre-recorded sessions. We can use the live components such as Zoom, Google Meet, and many more things. Even the Google Classroom can be used for integrating the things. Blog can be used for personalized applications. Even we can share the contents. The drives can be used. Social media like WhatsApp, Telegram, and many more channels can be used. And even the offline methods like distributing the content through the offline devices, even that can be done. So these are the various delivery channels which are easily available for all of us. So all the educators are in need of a special tool, the tool which is very flexible, mobile, and economic, through which the content can be prepared very easily. And I tried my best to introduce a very special component called Flipkart, Flipped Learning Content Developer. So this component is used specially for the content preparation for flipped learning, and even it can be used for various different concepts. On screen, you have a component. It may look a very simple, a PVC pipe connected component, Yes, very true. This is a DIY, do it yourself component, and even you can consider it as the best from waste components. So whatever is available within our premises, whatever is available within our reach can be best utilized to prepare the very good contents. All these things I have tried my best. I have tried and I got a wonderful outcome from this. And I felt, let me share this experience with you all. Let me share this experience with my entire teachers family, the educators family, so that everybody can make the best use of this kind of tool and deliver the concepts to the students. So using this component, we can create the images, we can capture the images, even we can record the activities, even a special thing called active labs can be prepared, even the drawing and video can be prepared and it can be shared to the students. As I already said, content delivery and content preparation. To develop the content, we have got the challenges, and for that, I'm providing you the solution. These are the things which I have already tried. So to teach mathematics on paper, instead of using the blackboard or a green board to teach, you can use the normal A4 sheet on which you can write the concepts and you can teach the concepts to the students. The advantage is if you are using a blackboard, then you need a tripod or any other components to keep or to hold the device. And along with that, for a good audio clarity, you should have the proper mic setup, and the mobile should be with a good camera and good features. For a rural based school or an educational institution or a tier 2 city or a tier 3 city, it is very difficult to have all these components. You may have all these components, but if you want to present something through the board, the proper lighting facility is also required. So through Flipkart, you can avoid all these things. Whatever is available within our reach can be best utilized. For audio, no need of any special audio jack or any audio external cables. You'll be using a normal headphone, even that can be used. Earphone can be used for recording, and without earphone or headphone also, the audio clarity will be good. Whatever the contents are readily available, that can be used and it can be presented. There's a one more concept called craft. So craft, even it can be recorded, and active labs, it stands for activity time lapse. Whatever activities we do, for that recording and sharing is not so easy. So for that, the time lapse can be used. The entire activity can be recorded and it can be shared. And all these things can be done through Flipkart. Not only that, along with that, we can use it as a document scanner to scan the document, to make the content, to prepare the reference material to the students, to scan the notes and to send. This can be used. You can use it as a digitizer to digitize the document which is there in your educational institutions. You can record the activity through this. So on screen, you are finding the picture, and this is where we are just scanning a material and making it as a PDF. This Flipkart, it looks so simple. It has the PVC pipe components where the mobile phone to be placed here, and it is going to record the entire contents. This is the sample where the mobile phone is kept here. And for all other component, whichever is available in the market, for that, you need to use a special connector pin through which the mobile to be connected. So we call it as a holder. So here, no need of any holder. The mobile phone of any size, any concept, it works. So here I'm using a mobile phone of just which cost less than 5,000 rupees. So even you can use a mobile phone of a good from a good provider, so that the clarity will be good. And one more advantage is we don't want any sort of additional lighting, because mobile phone will be having the torch, so that can be used for the additional lights in case if it is required. This is the concept I have designed and published as a paper in International Journal of Science and Research. So this is the proof of the work done. There's a one more thing. Even if there is no material, if you want to create your own material and even to use it for the practical concepts, like it may be accounting, mathematics, statistical, commercial arithmetics, or physics, chemistry, or even for drawing applications, this kind of method can be used, where you can use a normal exam pad, whatever is available. For that, the A4 sheets can be put and directly you can record in the normal mode of landscape mode. For that, there are multiple options which is available here. So this is the sample how you need to place the pad and the A4 sheet, where there will be a clip. In case if you want the name and other details to be covered, you can plan additional strip for that, where the name and other details, the session, the class, concept, and everything can be fixed, so that this particular strip will be fixed, and only as and when the topic is done, you can just change this A4 sheets. So through which you can prepare something like a bookmark for your documents. All these informations are available in this blog. I have prepared a blog, flipkart.blogspot.com, where all these things are uploaded. You have 4 menus in that: home, about the Flipkart, videos and photos gallery, where the making of Flipkart and the working system of Flipkart, all the videos and the photos are recorded and it is uploaded. The paper on Flipkart, even you can access the details of the paper published in international journal, and about the developer, all the things can be accessed through this. Now, one more special thing is we need to respect the nature. So here, let us make the best use of the resources which is available with us. So no need to use the additional lighting facility also. You can place the Flipkart near the window so that you can use the sunlight, and with that sunlight itself, you can record the things. If the sunlight is not available, then you can either use the mobile light or additional lamp or the existing light for recording the contents. Here the advantage is the distance between the component or a paper and the mobile phone, the camera, is very less. So the clarity of the content will be very good. And even while recording the contents, the person, the presenter, the teacher, the trainer, the educator will be very near to the mobile phone itself with a gap of just 1 feet, so that no need of any additional audio component. The main intention is we are facing it's a pandemic time. We are waiting for the new normal. So currently we have got lots of limitations, that too especially when it comes to tier 3 city and rural cities. Whatever resources are currently available with us, that has to be best utilized, and we need to give a good outcome, because our duty is to teach the students, our duty is to train the students with creative aspects. So this slide will explain you about DIY concepts. Do it yourself. You need to take the PVC pipe which is available in the market, and just you need to cut into this particular, you need to set up in this particular structure, and the specification is already mentioned. The pipe, the length, whatever is required, what are the various component is required. So here you have got 2 options. Either you can make this Flipkart fixed or you can make it flexible. In case if you are moving this from one place to another place, then you may need additional thread where you can just plan for the mobility. Otherwise, in case if you are planning for a fixed one, that is also well and good. So both the options are available here. The one more intention, the idea behind this is, during the pandemic, through online delivery, there is a difficult task to get even the product through online. So whatever is available within our premises can be prepared. I'm very sure you might be thinking about what might be the investment for this. The investment for Flipkart is less than the price of the Faluda. It is less than the price of the normal pizza. Yes, my friends. Yes, my dear friends. Yes, respected all the educators, teachers, and the trainers. the cost is just 120 rupees. And that too, no need to purchase from anywhere. You can prepare from the resources, whatever is available with you. So this is a DIY component which can be prepared and it can be used. So I'm also a teacher. So I'm the techno teacher. So I teach various concepts to the students related to the numerical aspects, mathematics, and computer application. To share the material to the students, I use this component, and there's a wonderful response from the student. To teach the practical aspects to the students, I use this Flipkart and I teach, and all these things practically I have tried my best, I have implemented, I have given it to the number of schools, and even the teachers have trusted it and they are using and they are delivering. So dear teachers, let us make the best use of the technology. Let us make the best use of the component. Let us make the best use of all the resources, whatever is available. And let us not be the part of the problem. Let us come out of the problem. Let us be the part of solution. So with this, I'll end the very special information session on Flipkart. For more information, you can visit www.flipkart.blogspot.com. So in the developer tab, my email ID, my contact number, and all other details are available. And even in this particular YouTube video, in this description box, the link and all other details are available. Please go through the things, try to develop, design, plan your own Flipkart. If you have got some more things to share, please feel free to share with me so that I can upgrade this Flipkart, and the students of the entire our country or the entire continent, entire world can make the best use of this component. So once again, let us be the part of solution than the part of problem. Let us follow all the guidelines what the government has set. So once again, all the best. Thank you.